Hello everyone, welcome to MomTuber India. Today we will learn the sounds of alphabets. So as we know that there are 26 letters. So let us know the sounds of each alphabet because each alphabet produce its own sound. So let's get started. The sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter B is B. Sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter E is E. The sound of letter E is E. The sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter H is H. The sound of letter H is H. The sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter J is J. The sound of letter J is J. Sound of letter K is K. The sound of letter K is K. The sound of letter L is L. The sound of letter L is L. The sound of letter M is M. The sound of letter M is M. The sound of letter N is N. The sound of letter N is N. The sound of letter O is O. The sound of letter O is O. The sound of letter P is P. The sound of letter P is P. The sound of letter Q is Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. The sound of letter R is R. The sound of letter R is R. The sound of letter S is S. The sound of letter S is S. The sound of letter T is T. The sound of letter T is T. The sound of letter U is A. The sound of letter U is A. The sound of letter V is V. The sound of letter V is V. The sound of letter W is W. The sound of letter W is W. The sound of letter X is X, X. The sound of letter X is X, X, X. The sound of letter Y is Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. The sound of letter Z is Z. The sound of letter Z is Z.